Morning, everybody. My name is Auntie Lenyama, and this is my friend Janice Kumar.
Hello everyone.
We are the only student taking TG102 in Lampasa, and we are also first year law student. So today our documentary film will be based on Legal Aid Commission.
Okay, like looking at legal aid commission, firstly in our mind legal aid, like listening to the term legal aid, it deals with something with legally, like legal matters, like if people they have different disputes within themselves, they usually go to court or someone. But legal aid, they provide free legal service to the normal consumers as it is under the government. So like if it is free for all consumers, like, and its primary role is to provide justice through professional, effective and legal aid service. Like their main purpose, their main role is to provide legal services to the consumers, as it is for consumers only, not like it's not for anyone else. Like people, it's for you, so you should go for it if you have any disputes. And their mission is to provide greater access to justice through quality legal aid services. So their main vision is to have like professional legacy. Like the staffs in legal aid, they are like professionals who normally they are like majority of them are like law students, or some of like majority of them they are lawyers, and their mission is to provide greater access to justice through legal aid, legal quality legal and service. So after looking at all this, it's clearly in our minds that legal aid commission is a department which normally helps people who face legal issues. So now we will be going to legal aid commission, and we will be like doing some, like we'll be like asking some questions to the staff and so on.
Okay, as you can see, this is a legal aid department in Lampasa. This is the front office of it. We're just gonna go through it right now.
Okay friends, now we can see like we are here at the legal aid, which is here in Lamas. So we can see here that the place is so professionally organized, and the mode of like the way they talk to people, it's so professional. So by this we can see that these people are like providing great service to the consumers of it, even to the general public, as we have like seen in the pictures. Okay, now we can see how the information is organized inside, and how their work process is organized.
Okay, hello again, everybody. We just came back from the legal aid, and we went through some of the procedures that we had to go through. Was in order for you to see one of the lawyers, or in order for you to go through any inquiries. First of all, you're gonna have to register your name. Just write your name, and after that, you take a seat, and then they'll call you one by one, and they'll ask you some problems. So after after mentioning your problem, if you're gonna assist you with the lawyers. So after this, we'll be interviewing one of my friends. She's also one of the civil servant that asks the assistant from the legal aid.
Start.
Okay, this is my friend that I was talking about. So can you tell us your name, and what was the problem that you faced, and how the legal aid assisted you?
Bula Binaka, my name is Letty. I'm 39 years old. One problem that I faced was during my marriage, and it was one time in my marriage that my husband had left me, like he had neglected me. So I went to the legal aid department to ask for advice, and they referred me to this family law court. And then I didn't want to make a case against my husband. I just wanted if they could advise me on how to deal with my marriage. So from there, they referred me again to this. They have these counselors at the courthouse, so I went there, and from there then they wrote a letter. It was like something like a warranty to give to my husband, and from there then he came. I only thought that we had to go for counseling. I didn't know that they referred us right to the High Court, and because I was pregnant at that time, so he had neglected me, so it was a very sensitive issue, and I thought that we were going to go through counseling, but it was just the first moment for me to attend. I can say it was like a court case. I thought it was going to be a council, but it was going to be a court case. So we ended right at the High Court, and from there, then my husband came, and then the judge, he talked to, like he he advised him if he was going to do this, he was keep on neglecting me, then they will take legal actions against that problem. So I was happy. That was the first time I had to go to them, and it was also I can say the first and the last time that he didn't take advantage of my step of my side as a woman, and I thank Legal Aid for that, for stepping into that problem, even though from my side it was I was a bit scared, but I thank the law that he does not compromise on any issues, and then he could intervene in those issues, and I'm grateful for that, and that has helped me and my family to, I can say, him to come back together and to be stable and to be responsible and to be a responsible husband. Thank you.
Thank you, Letty. So there was my friend Letty over here, and now we have seen one example of Legal Aid and how they have helped her so much in marriage issue. Okay, I hope you guys so far like the video, and not only Legal Aid have helped to solve problem issues, but one of the main thing is that they have a JP, so mostly for students, if they want to satisfy their BC or exam papers like that, they'll come to Legal Aid. And my friend, you wanna say something?
Yeah, actually, even if the consumers, they want to even sign the even transfer of property or signing of documents, they can also take it to Legal Aid. Actually, it's just a free of charge service. They will sign for surely, because they are there for the public, and for any legal issues, they are the best people who will advise you with legal issues, like how to solve your legal problems and also. And now I thank all you for watching our video, and this is our video for assignment 2, and that's it. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.